We have organized a 3-day meeting called Samudhra Manthan. This has been organized first time in which all the researchers, particularly the young researchers doing PhD in field of oceanography, they are participating in that. They are coming from all over India. So whether they are working in IITs, universities, and different laboratories, but all of them who are working in field of oceanography, they have been participating in this meeting. So this is a 3 days conference in which they are presenting their work, and through means the presentation as well as poster. And in addition to that, we have called several experts. So they are delivering their talks, which will be benefiting these participants, young researchers and all. So emphasis was given to these people that more and more people should work in field of oceanography, because government is emphasizing for blue economy or deep ocean mission program, whereas the people working in field of oceanography is limited. So more and more people should come and join the research in the field of oceanography. That is the emphasis which we are trying to give, and we are trying to do this meeting particularly for young researchers, young PhD scholars and researchers in the field of oceanography. We will try to do this every alternate year.
So, how many students participate in this?
250 students are
All
participating
over from India.
all over India.
And what are the major objective for this
So
meeting?
as I told you, this is actually all the people who are working in different field of oceanography, they are discussing. But major emphasis, major objective is to highlight the importance of oceanography, because you see our ocean is so vast. 71 million square kilometer area of ocean of the Indian Ocean is there, and our coastline itself is 7,500 kilometers. So a lot of activity is happening, and oceans are impacting our daily life. Actually, the oxygen which we are breathing, half of the oxygen is coming from ocean. The food are coming from ocean. Many resources, minerals are coming from ocean. But despite the fact that they are covering almost 70%, 1% of the area, with these oceans has been studied very little. And also, even if we compare within the oceans, our Indian Ocean has been studied very little compared to Pacific and Atlantic. So there is a great need to study this ocean as soon as possible. And for that purpose, we need a lot of human resource. So actually, this type of meeting will help in motivating people to come to the field of oceanography.
So, this meeting will held every year here only yours?
This first time started, but we will keep alternate years so that it will be benefiting more and more people.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.